Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, we're back in Japan, and more specifically in the Minato District of Tokyo. And we are in an area called Roppongi, which is really known for its foreign embassies and also for its nightlife, but also for the fact that it has a lot of high-rise buildings with a lot of businesses. And it is a really rich area here in Tokyo. But also one thing that is maybe the most popular right here is the fact that a lot of tourists tend to come right here, and especially Americans. So there's a lot of American bars and Irish bars and a lot of Western style stuff. So I'm really excited to discover this place. So without any further ado, let's explore. Minato District, Tokyo is a dynamic area blending corporate skyscrapers with cultural hotspots. It houses Tokyo Tower, the high-end Azabu and Akasaka neighborhoods, and the waterfront Odaiba district. The name Roppongi, which appears to have been coined around 1660, literally means 6 trees. This area is known for its nightlife, vibrant clubs, upscale bars, and diverse art galleries showcasing both contemporary and traditional works. The district thrives with Michelin-starred restaurants, embassies, and an international scene, making it a prime spot for business, entertainment, and high-end living. One of the must-see streets in Roppongi is Roppongi Sakura-zaka, which is a street that is lined with a ton of cherry blossom trees. Of course, the best period to see the leaves falling would be during March or the beginning of April, but also it's kind of hard to predict sometimes because these past couple of years it's been happening later or even earlier. But still, in the winter when I'm here right now, it's still nice to see it because the leaves are orange, and I think that there is going to be a moment also when those orange leaves are going to fall, so it's still pretty to see. And I just like seeing trees and walking through nature in this crazy city, and it's just very pleasant. And adjacent to it there's also a mall, but the mall is worth checking out. It's an outdoor mall, but the stores are pretty high priced, so it's mostly luxury stuff. Roppongi Sakurazaka is a stylish enclave in Tokyo, blending luxury and nature seamlessly, while Keyakizaka Street is a gem among the city's top photo locations. Lined with cherry trees, it remains charming throughout the day, from gentle morning light to the evocative evening tones. The adjacent street offers an outdoor mall experience with high-end boutiques, elegant cafés, and inviting public spaces. The area exudes a Rodeo Drive-like atmosphere where designer fashion meets sophisticated leisure. The cityscape enhances its modern charm with tall buildings all around. This fusion of urban elegance and seasonal beauty makes it a prime destination for upscale shopping and relaxed socializing. Just a brief 2-minute walk from the Sakurazaka, there is the Mori Garden, which is a nice little landscaped garden adjacent to the Mori Tower and to TV Asahi, which is a really known television station here in Japan. It's done quite a few really popular animes, but this Mori Garden is really beautiful too. It has a landscaped garden adjacent to a little bit of water, and it's just a pleasant place to be because as I said, sometimes I get overwhelmed with all of this modern lifestyle, so seeing some greenery is always welcome. Roppongi's architecture is a fascinating blend of modern design and natural harmony. The Mori Garden, nestled within Roppongi Hills, offers a charming park with a serene water feature and intriguing statues scattered throughout. This tranquil green space is surrounded by sleek skyscrapers, creating a peaceful escape from the hustle of city life. Art installations enhance its charm, while the TV Asahi building adds a striking contemporary touch. Roppongi Hills in some ways really reminds me of Beverly Hills in Los Angeles, California, and yeah, I think it kind of is the Beverly Hills of Tokyo because there are so many luxury shops. And right here at the Mori Tower in one of the central plazas, there's a statue called Maman, and this statue depicts a giant spider. It's actually probably maybe the biggest spider statue in the world, and in the middle of it there's a sack with a bunch of marble statues. There's 32 of them, and obviously it depicts a mother spider that's about to have some children. But it is super interesting, and its location is really good because it's at the base of the Mori Tower, and right here there's an art gallery, and there's also a bunch of shopping to be made because they have an indoor shopping place and also, as I said, some shops outside. But it is a very central area in Roppongi, and there's just a lot of things to do right here. Roppongi Hills is home to the iconic Mori Tower, a 54-story mixed-use skyscraper primarily used for office space, but also features retail stores, restaurants, and other attractions. Completed in 2003 and named after its developer, Minato Mori, the surrounding complex includes a luxurious indoor mall, renowned for its elegant design and upscale boutiques. The mall's interior is adorned with tasteful decorations, from contemporary art to intricate floral displays, creating a sophisticated shopping atmosphere. With a blend of high-end retail and modern architecture, Roppongi Hills is a symbol of Tokyo's cosmopolitan allure. As mentioned, Roppongi is truly known for its nightlife, including a lot of clubs and bars, and that's probably why a lot of American tourists and tourists in general love to come here, because they're looking for nightlife. And obviously, since there's a lot of tourists here, maybe they feel a little bit safer too, because they're able to communicate better with the people here because they pretty much all speak English. But yeah, there truly are quite a few bars here. It's not going to be in a specific street, so the best thing that I can tell you is to just wander around in side streets, because that's where you're going to find the best place. And don't just limit yourself to one place. Go exploring. Drinks and food is really cheap in Japan, so it's kind of fun to go from one establishment to the other. Roppongi Hills is filled with charming side streets lined with bars, each boasting its own unique identity. Some are hidden gems, tucked away in narrow alleys, offering an intimate and secretive vibe. For those who prefer something different, there are plenty of cozy cafes and quaint shops to explore. This area attracts many American tourists, adding to its lively cosmopolitan atmosphere. Whether you're in the mood for a drink or a casual stroll, Roppongi offers something for everyone. From Roppongi, you're going to be able to see the Tokyo Tower peeking over a bunch of buildings, and it looks super close to it, but actually it's kind of close and not so close. It's about a 25-minute walk from the Roppongi crossing, which is pretty much where you're going to land when you take the subway all the way here. But it is worth it to see it. It is kind of like a smaller version of the Eiffel Tower, and it is magnificent to look at. Although I do recommend maybe going towards the sunset so that you can see the Tokyo Tower during the day, but also you can see it all illuminated too. And I think it's not the best place to actually get a good view of the city. If you want to get a good view of the city, I would go to the Tokyo Skytree, but it is worth it to go up the tower at night so that you can see Tokyo by night, because that looks really, really nice. But yeah, well, as you guys can see, the sun is setting. It's getting kind of dark. I really hope that you guys enjoyed coming on this visit of Roppongi with me. And if you did enjoy it, please be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, leave me a comment too. Let me know what other things I should be doing in Tokyo or other countries. Maybe I could make that happen. Okay, well, that's it. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.